All right, we have our tax experts here answering your questions today. They're busy at it on Facebook right now. Any questions you have about taxes, they are here to answer your questions. It is Money Monday, and we are talking taxes. 1 week from today, you got to file, guys. So all morning long, we've had our financial experts here to answer your questions. Certified Financial Planner Joe Bert is here. So let's talk about some of these questions, Joe. You guys are furiously working over there. Do they work this hard the rest of the week? Or?
No, they're taking the rest of the week off.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, tax week, they know that's not true. Okay, some of the interesting questions we've gotten so far. How about this one? If we already have an IRA established, can we add to it, or do we open a new one for the year? What's your advice on this one when it comes to IRAs?
You probably should add to it, because you don't need a whole bunch of different IRA accounts scattered throughout your working lifetime. The key is, do you have earned income? You have to have earned income to be able to get the tax deduction, and are you under 70.5? So you don't need to open a new one unless you're not happy with the performance on the old one. In that case, open a new one and roll out the old one into the new one.
And then be done in that case. And again, I know it's tough for a lot of people to come up with a couple extra $1,000, maybe even $100 this time of year, but it is a big deduction.
It is a big deduction. It's the only one that you can take after the tax year is filed. An IRA, or if you're self-employed, a SEP IRA, you can do that until you file your taxes.
All right, next question here. I work from home and live with my boyfriend. The internet and electric are under his name. Since we are not married, should I have these bills under my name for tax purposes? What's your advice in this case?
Now, in this case, they own the home jointly. She works from home, and she wants to be able to take the tax deduction for some business expenses, in this case specifically the telephone and the electric bill, but her boyfriend is paying the bills. She has two choices. She can either pay the bills directly herself or reimburse him. But now remember, she can't get a full deduction for all the electricity and all the telephone. It has to be pro rata, but that's the way to do it. And she needs to be writing a check to him if she's going to reimburse him.
Okay, and then finally here, a lot of people dealing with this one. It says, my Social Security number was stolen. How do I file my tax return? And I mean, you and I did a show on this. Yeah. Ours was stolen this year.
Yes.
And the one thing you don't want to do is then lose your PIN number, which I did.
Yeah,
so not only do we have our information stolen, I lost the information. You have to have this special piece of documentation, don't you?
You want to file what's called Form 14039. It gives you instructions of what you need to do to alert the IRS that your stuff has been stolen, and there's a whole process to get yourself squared around, because the IRS will not accept that second return.
Yeah.
Because as far as they're concerned, the first return that was filed is correct, and that person got a refund, got something going, so you have to be able to demonstrate to the IRS that you are, in fact, you.
I think I'm still blown away by the fact that you don't need much information to file for someone else.
Yeah.
And get a huge refund and then complicate their life.
It's a Social Security number.
It's pretty amazing.
And you know, the Social Security number is all over the place. The other day I was in the doctor's office, first thing he asked for a Social Security number.
Yeah. Yeah. Why do you need it? You don't need it, bottom line.
It's now your national ID number. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Right?
All right, so the guys from your firm over here, Certified Financial Group, they're answering your questions. So if you have a question, just go to Facebook, search out our page, Fox 35, ask it right there, and these professional tax experts will have an answer for you right away. I mean, no billable hours here either, Joe. This is like a great deal.
You'll get a bill.
Oh, apparently I'm paying for your tax advice this morning.
We've got Gary Abley there, and Aaron Bert. I refer to him as my younger brother, as I said earlier, but he insists on calling me Dad. So.
All right, sounds good. All right, hey, what's your website in case people want to check you out too after
Google
today?
Me, John, Joe Bert, 2 words, B-E-R-T.
All right, they'll be here for a little bit longer this morning. Make sure you get your questions in right now. Thanks, Joe. Good to see you. Appreciate you guys being here. Jamie.